Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando con la página número 85 de nuestro libro y con esto vamos a hacer lo siguiente. We are going to watch a video and then we have to circle which is the favorite animal of each kid. Okay, listos, ready?
Look at the rabbit. It has big ears. My favorite animals are rabbits. It can hop. I can hop too.
¿Escucharon cuál es el favorite animal?
Oh no, there's Mittens the cat. She can't hop, but she can run. Phew! Look, there's Hugo the dog. He can run too, but he can't climb. The cat can climb. Phew! Oh no! Look, it's Polly. Watch out, Polly. There's a cat. It's okay. She can fly. Hello, Polly. Cats are great, but my favorite animals are birds.
Ahí está. ¿Qué dijo? My favorite animal is a bird.
Mittens the cat can climb, but she can't fly. She can't.
¿Ok? Ya tenemos ahí la respuesta. Vamos a ver. Which one is the favorite animal? Rabbit and a bird. ¿Ok? Bueno, entonces, después de esta tenemos la siguiente parte. Activity number 2. Y con esta lo que vamos a hacer es lo siguiente. We have to listen. Vamos a escuchar. Vamos a poner en orden esas fotografías 1, 2, 3 and 4. ¿De cuál nos están hablando primero? First, second, and third. ¿Y qué es lo que comen cada uno de estos animalitos?
1. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a lizard.
Lizard.
It can climb, but it can't fly. It eats insects.
It eats insects. Okay?
2. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a mouse. It can run, but it can't swim. It eats plants.
That's number 2. Y dice, it eats plants.
3. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat. It can climb, but it can't swim. It eats mice and fish.
4.
Okay, number 4.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a hamster. It can climb, but it can't fly. It eats plants.
Ok, ahora sí. Bueno, pues si ya lo tienen, vean. 1, 4, 2 and 3. And ¿qué comen ellos? Ahí está. Ok, insects, plants, fish and mice. Bien, por último, lo que hicimos fue adivinar qué o cuál es este animalito. Which animal is the one they are talking about? Look, it's green and it's small. It has 4 legs and 2 big eyes. It can fly, but it can hop. It eats insects. My favorite animal is okay. Number 2, it's tall. It has 4 legs and a big head. It can run, but it can't climb. It eats plants. My favorite animal is Vamos a ver cuál animalito es o cuáles animalitos son los que salen ahí. ¿Ok? ¿Listos? Frog. El primero era frog. Next. Horse. ¿Ok? That one, it was a horse. Bien, eso fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy, niños. Nos vemos el día Monday. See you later and have a great day.